Hello friends, this is Sanjeev. I work in taxation field and I wish you to know what is the benefit of getting some insight about the direct taxation. This is very important for the today's corporate world. You pay around 33% of your income tax from your total income. So it is very useful to know in your personal life and your corporate life how you can manage the taxation, right? So we are here offering various taxation skill so that the person who are engaged in a corporate level or consultancy level may come to know how they can minimize their tax liability, indirect taxation. See, GST is a new concept. Every people are knowing about GST nowadays, but let me tell you, direct taxation is the core of any corporate taxation program, right? So for taxation purpose, direct taxation purpose mainly, we will introduce how you can claim a tax exemption, how we can claim the tax deduction, what are the various incentives provided by the direct taxation law, how we can appear before income tax authorities in case of any assessment and litigation. So overall of this knowledge, and apart from this, there are various changes in international taxation law. If your company, your corporate have international transaction, you must have knowledge about the transfer pricing skills, international taxation, double taxation avoidance scheme, etc. So we are here providing you all these insights in a very crisp and clear manner. So you can join and we will let you know how you can excel your direct taxation skills. Thank you.